Hi, this presentation is about digital badges or open badges and how you can use them. Badge is a kind of micro accreditation or reward that indicates that you've done something, achieved something in any sphere of your life, and it can be academic or it can be social or it could be work experience. They're usually used for things that aren't quite as big as completing a full course. In the case of the DigiChamps project, we are awarding badges for people who achieve the DigiChamps Ready at the start and then are active on a project and then complete a project and take part in the review and reflection process at the end. But what can you do with these badges as a student? So you can see here I'm looking at a Moodle website, our virtual learning environment, and I'm looking at one there for DigiChamps. And as part of this program, I've been awarded a badge, and you can see that it's listing latest badges there. Okay, now DigiChamps Active is the badge that I've got, and if I click on that link, it will take me to the full details about that badge. Okay, you can see that it's got a description there that tells me what the badge is for and some other information. So what I can do is now download the badge, that image file, which actually contains that data as well in a hidden format. So I can download that, add it to my CV or portfolio, and link to this page. So I can give people the link to this web page so that they can go and look, find out what that badge is about and why I've been awarded it. Okay, so that tells the outside world about my achievement, about what I've done. So that's one way of using these badges. There is another way, it's a little bit more sophisticated, and that's called Open Badges Backpack. It was created by the Mozilla Foundation, the same people who built the Firefox browser, and it's becoming quite popular. So this is a way in which you can collect badges from lots of different locations, not just from Warwick, but from other providers, and collect them together into the same place, organize them into collections, and show a collection to the outside world. So you can create a link to that collection, you can tweet the badges as you've received them, you can share your achievements on Facebook, share the badges on Facebook and LinkedIn, and there's some other mechanisms as well. Okay, so the first thing to do this is to create an account on Mozilla Backpack. So backpack.openbadges.org, and you can see I've already done that, and I've already got one badge in there. So our Moodle system is connected to Mozilla Backpack so that badges can be pushed from Moodle when you receive them into the backpack. It's something you have to do yourself. Okay, so let's go back to Moodle there. You see the link there for Manage Badges. Click on there, and that's the page that tells me about all of the badges that I've received. So my badges from Moodle at Warwick website, I can connect it to the backpack. So that's Mozilla Backpack Open Badges system. And also I can connect here so that badges I've earned elsewhere will appear in Moodle. But what I want to do is make that connection so that I can push badges from Moodle into the backpack. So connect to the backpack, and this is where you have to sign in with your backpack credentials. So I created an account in Backpack and I'm going to use that. I'm already signed in on there on the Backpack website. So click sign in and it's making the connection. It's looking good. There we are. So the two things are now connected. So I'm going to now go back to the DigiChamps site where my badge was, and I now get an option, add to backpack. Okay, this is the magic bit. So click on Add to Backpack. Click on the Hurrah button. Accept this badge. Yep, I want to accept that badge. Okay, and it's done it. Now if I go back to the backpack website and reload that page, I should see, there we go, the badge is now in my backpack and ready to be shared with the world. So there's another stage to this that you need to do to make these visible to the outside world from the backpack, and that's to go to collections and create a collection. Okay, so you can see here the two badges that I've got, and it says drag a badge here to create a collection. So I'm going to do that, drag that badge in and drop it. Let's give it a name. Warwick University. And I want to use that collection to contain all of my Warwick University badges. So let's drop another one in. There we go. So I've got Warwick University with 2 Warwick University badges. And select public. Great, ready to share. Okay, and this is the public page for my Warwick University collection. So I can take that URL and put that on my CV or my portfolio and allow other people to access my collection of badges. There's some other things we can do as well. So here, share this on Twitter, Google+, Facebook and LinkedIn. And there's the sharing options. So I can tweet that I've received badges and that will share that URL to people. I can put it onto Google+, share it on Facebook and add it to LinkedIn as well. Or of course I can just link to the page from anywhere else. So that's it. So I've earned some badges in the Warwick Moodle, created a backpack, shared those badges into the backpack, organised them into a Warwick University collection, and then made that Warwick University collection public so that other people can see it.